Hey friends, I'm out here in the garage today with this new product that's going to help us get organized. This is the Lawn and Garden Care Tool Organizer made by Kiyomisoto. Let's take a closer look and see if it can actually help you organize your garage. Now here's the problem this thing can potentially solve for us. As you can see, most of our walls are lined with bikes, ski gear, all sorts of other tools, tool bench. We just don't have a lot of space for the wall hanging style tool organizers. And look at this. I've just got all my lawn care stuff, my snow removal tools, shovels, just tossed over here in this corner. This gives me a ton of anxiety. So that's where this comes into play. We can actually put this on the floor of a shed. Here in the garage is where it's going to go for us. And again, it just takes up some really nice floor space instead of the wall space. And as you can see, there's all sorts of different shelves and areas where we can stick our longer tools, our shorter tools, we can hang things. It really gives us a lot of good options. So here is everything out of the box that it was shipped in. As you can see, this is a put it together yourself type project. It took me roughly, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes or so. Most people can do this. It's fairly easy to put together. The instructions are pretty simple. It does come with these two tools right here. I used a drill with a little hexagonal bit at the end, and it made the job go so much faster. Now for me, this is where this thing shines, is for these long handled tools. You can stick them down through this little mesh grating, and then they just stand up nice and straight. Makes it easy to see and easy to grab the right tool that you need instead of that cluttered corner that I have. We can put a snow shovel in here. Garden rakes are gonna work really great. Another one of these little iron rock rakes that work really good. And then we've got a little hula hoe here that we use all the time that I can stick in there. And again, there's lots of space for you to organize these around so that the heads of these things aren't kind of clanking into each other. Now over here on this side of the organizer, you can see we have a couple of little clips that roll out. So kind of a roll clip where you can just shove a, again, handled item into these. It could be used for really quick access, but honestly, I like this great system a little bit better. Now the basket on this side is going to be really great for some things like our gardening gloves and our garbage bags. On the lower shelf, I can actually put things like my gas can. And then over here on this side, you can see we have this little rack system. This is going to be great for my ear protection, for lawnmowers, as well as any of your little hanging tools that you might want to stick on there and organize. Yeah, I gotta say, friends, this thing is really, really nice. I think just as an organizational piece of equipment, it's very budget friendly. And again, where it really shines for me is the ability to hold these upright tools and just keep them organized, even though all of these heads might clang into each other normally, or needing a lot of wall space to kind of hang them side by side. I think this solves that issue and gives me a really great area to keep these things nice and tidy in our garage. Definitely a big thumbs up from me. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself. Stay tuned, subscribe, because we do a ton of these review videos for things you can find on Amazon, as well as all sorts of DIY projects like organizing our garage and making it into a really fun, unique space. If you're interested in that content, stay tuned. We've got a ton more videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.